Hello everyone. My name is Hayden. I'm just doing um, a presentation on hammerhead sharks. I thought they were really cool and fascinating, so I wanted to do a presentation on them. Right, from the beginning here. Um, Move this for you guys real quick. That's the middle there. I just added this water effect. I thought that was really cool to go with the shark theme. Right, let's move to the next slide here. Alright, so what is a hammerhead shark, you may ask? A hammerhead shark is a type of fish or shark that lives in oceans around the world. A hammerhead shark has like an extremely wide head, as you could see in the picture, with eyes on each side. Well, it doesn't show here, but should be an eye on this side and this side. Um, these creatures can actually live up to 30 years, which is actually really fascinating to me. Their gills on both sides of their bodies and their mouth is located below their head, as you can see here and here. Um, they are a gray and brown, and they can even be like olive green, as you can see. It's kind of like an olive green here. Their bellies are obviously white here, and their teeth are triangular shaped. Alright, let's move to the next slide. The migrations and habitat use of the hammerhead shark. Start off with, the hammerhead shark is a mobile species, so they do move around a lot. Um, so for the longest migration recorded for the hammerhead shark, an article is about 6,600 kilometers. Um, and for the hammerhead sharks, they spend most of their time near the surface of the water, not really that deep. The hammerhead shark's vertical movement doesn't clear the DL silicity. And for the most common places to find these sharks are in shallow water, again at the bottom. They're known to having slow growth, which this could obviously affect the migrations and habitat of the shark. They spend most of their time on their sides to reduce drag and to save energy. This is really good, and I found that really fascinating as well. Um, I did not know they did that, which is really nice. All right, what does a hammerhead shark eat? Um, it mostly on demersal fish and yeah, they mostly just on these two type of fishes here. The hammerhead shark can also feed on other sharks and prey on other sharks as well. They also attack squids and octopuses. Another favorite, I found this really interesting, is they like to eat stingray fish, which is really fascinating to me. The hammerhead uses tactics like waiting on the ocean floor, stalking the prey before killing it. So they go on the ocean floor and stalk their prey, and they can also use, I'm guessing, their weapon, which is their head, which is like this part right here. As you can see in the background, they could use their head as a weapon since it is shaped abnormally. The location of the hammerhead shark. Um, some of the hammerhead sharks were found in the mid-Atlantic Ocean in the US. In the summertime, they spend most of their time in the New York Bight. In the winter, they most of the time off a place called Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, which is pretty cool since um, I am in North Carolina. The Newark Bight and the Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, is known for fish habitat for this species. So the hammerheads do migrate to this area, or to these two areas here, um, during like the summer, winter, and the fall. Right, let's go to the next slide here. The hammerhead sharks are an endangered species. The NMFS officially classified the hammerhead as a threatened and endangered species under the Endangered Species Act, the ESA. They classify the hammerhead shark as an endangered species due to the overfishing for it. This is also due to the destruction of their habitat. So that's why their numbers are going down rapidly. Another thing is that more than 90% um, die when they get captured. Um, they also are a main reason is their popular trade. So people capture these things and actually trade their fins, which are really rare, and they get really good money for it. Alright, and here is my works cited, and that is the end of my presentation.